If you are wondering if we can install GCam on the Motorola Signature, then let's give it a try. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to check and possibly download GCam. So we can check if it is possible to get a GCam for this phone, specifically for this phone, and if not, then we can get another version or an app that is built for another smartphone, and then we can check if it is compatible with our Motorola Signature. So what we're gonna do is we can use the GCamator. We can try to install GCamator from the Play Store just like that, and we can use this app in order to check if we have a GCam available. Of course, I'm not really forcing you to install this app and try these different versions. Feel free to just stop installing these apps at any point if you don't like it. Yeah, this is one of the ways that we can do so. So in this case, as you can see, GCam is not ready yet. It is not available yet for Motorola Signature. So I'm just gonna request the GCam, and hopefully in the near future it's gonna be added, but it is not really certain. We cannot really predict when it's gonna happen. Maybe if you are watching this video in the future, maybe the GCam for Motorola Signature specifically is already created. So if not, what we can do is we can switch to the GCam over here at the bottom. And as you can see, we even have some example versions for other Motorolas, and this is what we want to do. We can type Motorola over here, and then we can try to find the newest possible version. So in this case, we have GCam 9.2 for Android 11. Let's see if we can find something a little bit newer. I'm not sure if it is possible for Motorola, if there is something newer than that. There is 9.2 again, but of course we can try to find it. There is also for Edge 60 Pro, so there is a possibility that is going to actually work quite well. 9.3 version. There is 9.6, so even newer one for Razer 60 Ultra. There is another one. So yeah, there are actually some newer versions in here. There's also 9.6 for G Stylus 25. So it seems that the 9.6 version is the newest one. So I think I'm gonna go for that. There's also another one. New Fusion. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna get this one. Let's start downloading. Of course, we have an ad in the meantime, but we can just wait for it to be done. And we will be most likely redirected to a website where we can download the GCam for that specific model that we have selected. And this is, of course, this might be a little problem because, of course, the version for that app, version of that app is not made for our Motorola Signature. So there might be some bugs, issues, maybe the app will not work at all, maybe it's gonna work, but some of the features might not work correctly. So this is what I mean about compatibility, is that, of course, not everything might be working just fine. So let's give it a try. Of course, if you try to install the app, then your phone will alarm you that you're trying to install app from an unknown source. So you will have to go to a setting. You will have that option in here once it pops out. And you will have to allow your browser to install apps from unknown sources, and this is what happens every time you try to install an app that is not from Play Store. So this is what I said when this is what I meant when I say that if you feel like you don't want to proceed, then of course feel free to not do so. Still, I'm gonna continue and I'm gonna show you how to set it up. We don't have to agree to location, but we can agree to everything else in here, and we can allow access to all files. Alright, there we go. So now we have our GCam ready, it seems. Let's see if it's gonna work. So far we have the preview. We can also try to use a zoom to see if it works, and it seems that it does a little bit. And I think, oh, there we go. No, it actually works. I thought for a second that it crashed, but it's switching up when we're trying to change the settings in here. So let's also check the front camera. Let's see if it works, and yes, it does. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try the video mode now, and yeah, now it seems that the app actually crashed. Yeah, so this is what I meant by saying that there might be some inconsistencies and issues and so on and so forth. Let's try to find the app. There we go. Now we have two camera apps. I cannot really tell which one's which, but this one is the GCam. So unfortunately, it seems that the video mode does not work. The photo mode seems to be working okay. We can capture photos quite easily. We have some settings in here as well. Let's try the video mode one more time. No, it's not gonna work. So yeah, so unfortunately the video mode is not working. Maybe if we try like an older version or the app for another Motorola smartphone, maybe it's gonna work. But in this case, unfortunately, it doesn't. So feel free to try it out if you want to. And the answer is partially yes. We can install GCam partially. I mean, we can install the app, but it works only like halfway, I guess. Like it doesn't work. It doesn't fully work. Some of the issues are, of course, available. We can find them quite easily. So give it a try and let me know in the comments what you think. Leave a like and subscribe.